What's going on with you guys? Welcome to another episode of Quick Learn. And in today's episode, I will teach you how to solve purchase error on Google Play Store. So this one is pretty easy. So let's get it started. So first of all, the main reason why you're having a purchase error is that your payment method has a problem. So what you can do is to remove your payment method and add it again. So just go to your icon right here in the top right corner, click payment and subscription and go to payment methods. And if you're using an e-wallet just like me, Gcash, just unlink your e-wallet and link it again. And if you are using a credit or debit card, just remove your credit card and add it again. And that might help. So after you did that, just repurchase again the item you want to purchase and see if it works. And if it's not, maybe your Play Store is outdated. So you need to update your Play Store first before purchasing. So what you can do is to go to your icon right here on the top right corner and go to settings, and on about right here on the bottom, just click about, and there will be an update Play Store button right here under Play Store version. And if your Play Store is outdated, it will automatically update your Play Store. And if it's not, it's up to date. A text message will pop up, and that's it. That's how you solve purchase error on Google Play Store. And also, that's it for today's episode. If you want more to this channel, please like this video, click the notification bell. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.